911. What's your emergency?
My father is here, and we have a warrant of protection out on him at my
What's
house.
your address?
Wood Drive.
And has it been served, or did you just get it? It has been served?
Yes, he's been served.
Is it inside, or is he inside or outside?
He's outside. He was inside of our gated area, but I don't see him in there anymore.
Okay, and this is a house, correct?
Yeah, but I'm sorry. I think he left.
Okay, that's not a problem. We still have officers started that way. You said he was actually in the gated area of the front yard?
Yeah. He was banging on the doors, and yeah.
Do you know when he was served with the order?
2 weeks ago, 2 or 3 weeks ago. He's back again right now.
He's back?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, is he inside the fenced area or just standing on the street?
In the fenced area.
Okay, let me know if you see the officers pull up too. I have some officers in the area already.
Okay, thank you.
Here is that officer's body-worn camera footage. The view is partially restricted due to the officer's position inside the vehicle.
Carlos, drop that fucking... Move your fucking hand! Carlos! Get away from the gun! Get away from the gun, Carlos, now! Show me your fucking hands!
Body-worn camera footage goes back 30 seconds before the camera is activated, but does not include sound for those 30 seconds. As the officer approached Carlos, he orders him to get away from the gun, and Carlos slides the gun away. The officers were then able to approach Carlos and take him into custody.
Show me your... You get away from the gun! Get away from the gun! You... Show your fucking hands! 998. We're code 4. Officers are code 4. Subject is down. Send additional units. Keep your hands so I can fucking see them! You dumbass!
No, he got me. He got me.
Good!
I'm dying.
Show me your fucking hands! Get away from the gun! Get away from the gun! Knock him out! Show your fucking hands! 998. Carlos! Keep your hands so I can fucking see them!
Yo, he got me.
Once officers had Carlos detained, they began providing first aid. Phoenix Fire personnel arrived and transported him to the hospital for treatment.
Cut the shorts.
Oh, there's an ammo right there.
Yeah, there's another mag in his pocket. Left front pocket.
Hey, boss, found an ammo mag in his left pocket.
Oh,
Where's that?